Today I'm going to be reviewing our detective's office Legos. And now you can go walking in here. It's gone now. No! 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 I'm also going to show you guys my favorite part of this. See this little ladder up here that she can go to? Running. Boop. The ladder comes down, up and down, up and down. Ah! Got my shirt caught underneath it. Walking off. So now when you take it off, inside it here is like a little fan you can spin with your finger. And look, she can walk inside here like this. Play some pool here. This moves. If I were to rate this toy in a chart from 1 to 10, I'd rate it a 10 because it's a super fun toy. It was fun and hard to build, but there was lots and lots of pieces, not pizzas. I was about to say pizzas. You guys should see if you guys can get this. And this is a detective modular set.